G'day YouTube, Max right here, and I wanted to jump in and take a little look at Ethereum. We haven't done that for a while. Last time I looked at Ethereum, it was right down here. It had just come down to sort of just above the $1,500 mark, and I gave a buy signal. I was like, guys, listen, I think Ethereum is underperforming at the moment. It is ready to pop a little bit, and it was being plagued throughout this whole period by high gas prices, and it still is. But as I predicted, I think solutions are coming down the pike between layer 2 solutions, some upgrades to the protocol, and some things are happening, but they still haven't happened yet. But with the top dogs like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, they happen. The news comes out, we start to get whiffs of it, and then the price starts to build before anything's taken place, and it usually lasts for several months. So that's why I gave that price prediction. And it's done really, really well since. We've almost doubled, going from 1,500 to 2,600 at the moment. And Ethereum is at all-time highs as we speak, looking really, really good. So yeah, that's proved to be a really good thing. And almost every day we hear more news of more solutions to the gas crisis in Ethereum, and it really is holding it back. There's no doubt about it. But it looks like the market believes that a solid solution is coming for Ethereum. So that's kind of a good thing. Let's check out the Ethereum Bitcoin dilation. Now, what we would expect to see here is that Ethereum has really outperformed Bitcoin. And yeah, if you look at this chart, this is really highlighted. This right here, that was where I said there's a great time to get Ethereum, and so that's proved to be quite prophetic. So Ethereum performing very well. Can it go further? It looks like it's at the top of its range here a little bit. We can see here there's a long-term range here that's kind of at the top of, but definitely not in terms of its Bitcoin dilation, nowhere near the top. So the question for you I have is Ethereum going to climb up to these levels compared to Bitcoin in this cycle? You know, we're going to get up to where the price of Ethereum is equal to about 1/10 of a Bitcoin. That would require more than a double from here. And it would be a very exciting next 6 months for Ethereum if that takes place, because I think Bitcoin's got a lot of room to grow. So Ethereum looking really, really well. Solutions in the pike for Ethereum. And now let me know in the comments below, do you hold Ethereum? Are you a Ethereum hodler? Do you think it's going up? Ethereum, I've got a big bag of Ethereum. It is my second most held coin. I have the most amount of Bitcoin. After that, my next biggest coin is Ethereum. And so I think Ethereum is looking really, really good. Are you a hodler? Let me know. Go ahead. Let me know in the comments below. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's check in before we depart with some of our favorite crypto influencers, and let's see if they've updated their Ethereum price targets for 2021. Let's check that out now.
But now that obviously we've pumped above 2.5k, the next big Fibonacci level, the 2618 Fibonacci level, is coming in at pretty much exactly $3,260 US, which is crazy because it's coming in at basically the exact same price target as that measured move out of that W pattern breaking out to the upside.
Look at that particular signal right there. When that signal forms, boom, look at that 12x on Ethereum, bear moth. Ethereum's going nowhere. It's a beast, okay? It's the second largest market cap and second rank for a reason, because it's first mover advantage. Everything this time round wants to be the Ethereum killer. Everything last time round wanted to be the Bitcoin killer. Now Bitcoin stands aside, it's a store of value, and now Ethereum is marching on as the world's supercomputer, pulling us back down to the 20 before continuation, before getting back above the 3k there, the 1272 extension, back testing that support, hitting our head on the 141, and then obviously getting to 4.5k in the mid stage of this bull run there, and then sort of marching onwards, back testing that support before continuation, before we do see an $8,068 token Ethereum there in this bull market. So
We got JP Morgan saying that Ethereum should outperform Bitcoin over the long run. Sir, why didn't you say that at the bottom? Why do you show up when Ethereum is rallying and saying like, oh, I told you so? But no, seriously speaking, yes, it looks like it. Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin by a factor of roughly 100x to 1 over the last 7 years since the ICO, just like we covered, right? And it will probably continue to do so. On structure for Ethereum, we got the head and shoulders, like the inverse head and shoulders here on the multi-year time frame with a breakout, very, very clean breakout, out breaking from this resistance line over here, and then boom, start rallying. So I agree with him. The target is roughly 0.1, but the fundamentals look very, very good. So I say that's actually exactly what I'm thinking too.
Fantastic, guys. Well, I hope you like that. Remember, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Are the crypto experts right? Does Ethereum have way more to go in this cycle? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.